Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring. 200 to 250 grams of sourdough discard gives flavor and acidity, plus 300 grams bread flour and about 100 to 120 grams water to reach a tacky dough. Add 1 teaspoon instant yeast for reliable rise, 1 teaspoon salt for structure, and a tablespoon of malt or sugar to boost crust color. Mix until the dough forms a shaggy mass. Then let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes so the flour hydrates and gluten begins developing. Once rested, knead until smooth and elastic, about 8 to 10 minutes by hand or 5 to 7 in a mixer, because good gluten gives bagels their chew. Bulk ferment for 60 to 90 minutes at roughly 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, performing one stretch and fold at 30 minutes to strengthen the dough. After that, divide into 8 equal pieces, pre-shape into rounds, and let them bench rest for about 15 minutes so the dough relaxes before final shaping. This prevents tearing when you form the holes. Shape each piece into a tight ring or poke a hole and stretch the center. Make sure the surface is smooth to hold steam. Proof 30 to 45 minutes until slightly puffy, then boil in simmering water with 1 tablespoon malt or sugar for 60 to 90 seconds per side. This sets the crust and creates that signature chew. Once drained, top as desired and bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until deep brown. Troubleshooting tip: if bagels are dense, extend kneading and bulk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.